This montage is so cool. I'm gonna let this play.
This is my time. I'm seizing the moment cause I gotta go for the time's gone. Ain't scared of the dark cause I'm bringing the light with a nice long. I shine on. See it coming, I don't need a sign. This the moment I'ma make it mine. This is my time. My time.
Oh yeah, this feels so sick. Miles Morales has a new suit! Oh, and it looks so good! Alright, we're gonna spend a whole bunch of time swinging around in this.
Feels like people need friendly neighborhood now more than ever.
You gotta think of a shorter name. All the good apps are one word. What the?
Yeah, not sure what you call it. Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man in one word.
Oh, hey Pete, what's going on?
I saw the news. It was in Simkarian, so either a bridge exploded or a bagel was fumigated, which doesn't make any sense in context. Either way, I'm looking at flights. I can be back tomorrow night.
No, don't do that. It's okay. Just figured out who's responsible, and I'm gonna stop them. I promise.
Okay, I trust you. But if you need help, I'll be on the first plane home. Otherwise, I'll see you when I get back in a few weeks, okay?
Yeah, okay. Thanks. And good luck learning Simkarian.
Why are there 7 different words for bathroom?
I really hope that it works out for Peter Parker and MJ in this. Whoa, the amount of damage that the missile's doing in this is huge. That was nearly an instant death. Oh my goodness.
Hey!
Alright, well, we're gonna find those bad guys and we're gonna take them out.
The target and prep him for transport to HQ.
Don't you guys have something better to do?
Stay out of this, Spider-Man! Got him in my sight! Watch out for his web!
Rinse and repeat.
We're off the remote!
Cool, well they're taken out.
On 0, Spider-Man, I lost count.
Okay, boss. What's the plan?
Ben's family has a repair shop in Midtown. She used to do all her work there. If I'm lucky, she still does.
Wouldn't it be easier to just call her and talk?
I don't think so, man. Seeing her on the bridge, I don't know that person. I need to figure out why she's doing all this.
Right, man. Do what
So
you
these
feel is
videos
right.
are going to have a little bit less voiceover and just more getting through the game. But I actually find some supplies here, and then we get attacked by the Underground.
This is good.
Yes, I am stealing from you, but now you're going down.
I'll take you down!
All right. Think my work here is done.
Alright, that's done. Let's go for a little bit of a wander.
People will get hurt if I don't stop that shootout.
Alright, well let's do that. Oh, the one thing I gotta say is having tanks in this fight seems overkill. I felt like the Hulk. An Incredible Hulk on the PS2. That PlayStation 2 game was so cool. I found my final bad guy.
All down. Man, Roxxon and Underground are gonna tear the city apart.
Alright, so just having a look at a couple of the missions that I can actually do that are side quests and leveling up things. I'm gonna do the Lost the Cat one. So that's actually so cool.
Sure, I can help with that.
Hello, sir. I hear you have a cat problem.
Hey, you having cat troubles?
Yeah, Vector, my cat, ran out while I was grabbing the mail. Here, he loves this bag. If you find him, he'll crawl right in.
Are cats in backpacks like a thing? Do you have anything with Vector's scent?
Right here, his favorite toy.
Cute. Quick scan. And I got a trail. Hold tight. Vector's coming home.
Alright, Vector. Come here, buddy. We're gonna find you.
Up onto those school buses. Oh, little guy's nimble.
Please enjoy me just wandering around trying to find Vector. I actually get a little bit lost as well, and sometimes I find the trail, and sometimes I actually need to try really hard to find the trail, and yeah. Anyway, this mission's kind of fun. It's a good break from just beating up a whole bunch of bad guys.
Yep.
And every time that I actually need to crouch down to find Vector or one of the rats he's killed, it's like, oh, that's so
The
cool!
bus.
It just immerses you so much more.
Trail heads down.
Anyway, the rest of this part's going to be done without my voice. Until I find
To
Vector,
the
that is.
sewers. I'll follow from street level, thank you. Oh, this cat's gonna smell real weird. Didn't come out here. Nope. Vector didn't surface here. Please don't make me go sewer splunking, Vector. Trail picks up. He climbed out here. Saved from a sewer search. Never would have gotten that smell out of my suit. Vector's vector goes up that fire escape. Nice hops, cat. Vector's calling. Still warm. I'm close. Man, cats do not abide by the laws of nature. We're under that HVAC stuff. Time to crawl. Vector!
There's Vector on his killing spree of rats. Oh man, cool. So we found him.
You got that real New York smell now, Vector. Wow. Time to head home.
Let's go and return the smelly cat back to his owner. I'm sure we'll be overjoyed to receive it.
Hang tight, Vector. Almost home. Here you go.
Thank you. Ooh, wow. Wow. That's a smell. Oh. Running full body scrub, pal.
Cat.
Let's get inside.
Stinky, but mad cute.
Alright, I think I'll finish this video here. That's all I have time for today. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.